Hi guys and welcome to my new video. In this video we're gonna talk about how to fix Steam games that can't launch. In that case, the first thing you're gonna do is go to Library and Home. On your left side, you're gonna see the list of your games. Select the game that can't launch. In my case, let's say it's The Elder Scrolls V Skyrim. So, if this game can't launch, the first thing you're gonna do, and the best thing you're gonna do, is right click on the game, go to Properties, go to Installed Files, and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. So what that does is it checks the game for corrupted files and such, and it just replaces it. You restart the game or the Steam and the game will work fine. But in the case it doesn't work, the best thing to do is go to Steam, Settings, Downloads, and then click Clear Download Cache. You click that, the Steam will restart, the game will probably work, most probably after the first step. So after that, if that also doesn't work, the best thing to do is to check your graphics card driver, which is very important for your computer as for game. If that also doesn't work, you should restart your computer. So you go to Start, you go to Power, and then you click Shutdown or Restart, depending on what you usually do. So that's the most definite thing that will probably work. But if that also doesn't work, the least thing you can do is uninstall the game. So the way you do that is you go right click on the game again, you go to manage, and you just click uninstall. It should probably look like this. It's just a button, install, you click the install again, and the game will work just fine. Thank you for your patience. Bye.